Hi boys and girls, hope you guys are all doing well. This is Dr. Khan. Pleasure to connect with you. Today we will be working on Module 5, Lesson 13. I am working outside just to enjoy the nice weather, and I hope you can enjoy it as well. So let's get started. Fluency practice. Subtracting multiples of hundreds and tens. What is 2 tens less than 130? Quickly. 110. Awesome. The matching subtraction sentence? Quickly. 130 minus 20 equals 110. Awesome. What is 200 less than 350? Quickly. 150. Awesome. Subtraction sentence, the matching subtraction sentence. Quickly. 350 minus 200 equals 150. Awesome, awesome work. You guys are amazing. Let's get into our application problem. A fruit seller buys a carton of 90 apples. Finding that 18 of them are rotten, he throws them away. He sells 22 of the ones that are left on Monday. Now, how many apples does he have to sell? Let's reread. A fruit seller buys a carton of 90 apples. Finding that 18 of them are rotten, he throws them away. He sells 22 of the ones that are left on Monday. Now, how many apples does he have to sell? So, conceptually, let's represent this. I would like for you to conceptually represent this and turn and talk and tell a family member how you would go about solving this, and also paraphrase. So, I have the 90 here as a total. 18 are rotten, 22 are sold. How many are left? Okay, so let's see what's going on. He has 90 apples. Okay, 18 are, he got rid of 18, and then he also got rid of 22 by selling them. So how many are left? Okay, so it seems like this is a two-step problem, because whenever you are reading an application problem, you need to ask yourself if this is a one-step problem or a two-step problem, and then move forward from there. So it seems like this is a two-step problem, because first I have to figure out how many he got rid of altogether, right? And then how many are left? How many did he get rid of altogether? That's the first step. And then how many are left? How many apples are left that he needs to sell? Okay, so there you go. 18 plus 22. I'm going to use the number bond method. I'm going to take the 2 out for the next 10. I have 22 plus add the leftover plus 20 equals 40. Okay, that is how many apples he already got rid of. Now I have to figure out how many are left. So now I have to subtract that from the total. Right? I subtract that total from the original total. So 90 minus 40 equals 50. The fruit seller has 50 apples left to sell. Awesome, awesome job. Okay, so now our conceptual development. Subtract 3-digit numbers and use addition to explain why the subtraction method works. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3-digit numbers using the vertical way and the place value chart way, and then we're going to check using the matching addition method. Okay, that's it. And you've done this in module 4, so this should be very familiar to you. All you're doing is now working with 3-digit numbers. As well, we are going to be decomposing, right? Unbundling. So again, very familiar work that you already have been working on. Right now, all we're doing is developing our automaticity, right? As you see, I don't even have the steps listed. Why don't I have the steps listed? Because I want you to develop I want you to internalize this process, okay? So let's look at 244 minus 125. So firstly, I'm going to represent it the vertical way. 244 minus 125. I'm going to create my place value chart, hundreds, tens, and ones. I'm going to represent the first, the minuend, right? I'm going to represent the 244. What am I going to represent? The 244. In subtraction, when you are creating place value chart, you do not represent both numbers. You just represent the first, the minuend. Okay? Good work. So, 244. There's the 244. Okay, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract using the ones column. I knew from my previous learning that I have to always ask myself, is the top number smaller? Do I have enough? So look over here, let's start with the place value chart. This is where I want you to be focusing on right now, okay? So you have 4 ones and you have to subtract 5 ones. Do you have enough? No. Alert, cross, right? Transform. Basically, we have to unbundle. We have to decompose. So we're going to take 110 from the tens column and turn it into 10 ones, okay? So now we have 3 tens remaining here. So here, what do we have? We have, let's see, 14 ones altogether. Okay, because 10 ones plus 4 ones is 14 ones. 14 ones minus 5, because we have to subtract 5 ones. So 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 9 ones left over. Awesome job. Now I have to subtract 3 tens minus 2 tens. So 3 tens minus 2 tens, I crossed it out here. I have 1 10 left over. Now I have to subtract 200s minus 100. So 200, so I took the 100 away, I have 100 left. The answer is 119. Awesome job. I'm going to now check using the vertical way, and then I'm going to check again using the addition way. Okay? So let's look at this. We have 244 minus 125. So here's your 4 ones and you minus 5 ones. Do you have enough? No, we don't. Alert, alert, right? Cross, cross, transform, transform. Basically, we're unbundling this 4 tens, okay? We're unbundling that number. So we took 1 10 away. This turns into 14 ones, right? And then this turns into 3 tens. So 14 ones minus 5 ones is 9 ones. 3 tens minus 2 tens is 110. 200 minus 100 is 100. 119. Do they match? Yes. 119, 119. Now we're going to check. If you recall from the previous module, basically when you check a subtraction problem, you can also check it with a matching addition problem by adding the parts to see if you have the same whole, okay? So basically you ask yourself, do the parts equal to the whole? So do the parts equal to the whole? So here you go. I had it 119 plus 125 to see if it equals to the whole, which is at 244. Let's see. Part, whole. So 9 ones plus 5 ones equals 14 ones. I keep the 4 ones there. I take the 1 there. 110 there, right? 110 plus 210 plus 110 is 4 tens. 100 plus 100 is 200. 244. Do they match? Yes, they do. Awesome, awesome work. Do the parts equal to the whole? Yes, it does. Awesome work. Did you see how I did that? Now you're going to move on and do problem 2. You can pause the video and solve this problem by yourself using these 3 methods, right? I'll give you some time, and then please unpause. Okay, great. Unpause. Very nice. So here you go. 472 minus 228. Firstly, I'm going to represent the 472. 472. I'm going to also represent the number vertically. The word problem, the problem actually, vertically. Do you see that? Okay, good job. Now I have to take away 228. So let's look at the ones column. I have 2 ones minus 8 ones. Is that possible? No, it's not. I have to unbundle. I have to decompose, right? So I'm going to take the 110 from the tens column, right? And turn that into 10 ones. So now I have what here? 12 ones. 12 ones, okay? 12 ones minus 8 ones. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 4 ones left over. Good job. Now I have to take away 6 tens, because that's what I had remaining, remember? 6 tens minus 2. So I took away the 2. I have 4 tens left over. Now I have to take 400 minus 200. Cross, cross. I have 200. The answer is 244. Did you see that? 244. Amazing work. Now, I'm going to check this using the vertical way. Right? Here you go. So, look at 2 ones minus 8 ones. Is that possible? No, it's not. The top number is smaller. So I'm going to unbundle this 7 tens and turn it into 6 tens, because I'm going to take 1 10 and turn it into 10 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones equals 12 ones. 12 ones minus 8 ones is 4 ones. Okay? Right? Awesome job. 6 tens minus 2 tens is 4 tens. 400 minus 200 is 200. 244 is our answer. Do they match here? Yes, they do. Now let's check it one more time using the addition method. Right? The matching addition method. So here you ask yourself, do the parts equal to the whole? So do the parts right here equal to this whole, right? So let's do it. 228 plus 244. That's where I'm getting my parts from. Do you see that? Okay, good. 8 ones plus 4 ones is 12 ones. Keep the 2 ones here. Take the 110 there. 210 plus 410 plus 110 is 7 tens. 200 plus 200 equals 400. So 472. Do they match? Yes. Do the 2 parts equal to the whole? Yes. Awesome, awesome work. So this and this And this all work. Good work. I hope this was helpful, boys and girls, and I'll see you soon. Take care.